Chengdu Yiwei New Energy Vehicle Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise founded in September 2018, focusing on R&D in manufacturing of electric special vehicle chassis, electrical integration system and vehicle control, intelligent information technology. With 18 years new energy vehicle development experience, Yiwei adheres to the entrepreneurial philosophy of persistence and solidarity, striving for future. By combining the specialized vehicle chassis, upper body control system, and information monitoring platform, we specialize in developing the commercial electric vehicle sector, providing targeted products and services to domestic and international customers at all stages of development. These years, Yiwei has regarded technological innovation. Our R&D team consists of over 100 people, with more than 50% holding graduate degrees, led by industry's senior experts, Doctor of Tsinghua University. Team has achieved over 70 core technology patents in vehicle design, powertrain system integration, vehicle control, upper body control system, AI recognition, and intelligent unmanned driving. In just 3 years, our team has independently developed a full range of specialized vehicle chassis, ranging from 2.7 tons to 31 tons. These products integrate China's mature traditional automotive industry with a cutting-edge new energy vehicle technology. They have been widely applied in various fields such as urban sanitation, municipal engineering, refrigerated logistics, and airports, catering to the customized requirements for various specialized vehicle modifications. Yiwei Auto Team has independently developed powertrain units for different power platforms. Applicable to a wide range of specialized vehicle models, the products feature integrated and lightweight design with a compact structure that allows for easy installation. Also, they incorporate decoupled control and empower intelligent driving technology. Yiwei Auto, by providing new energy dedicated vehicle chassis and powertrain control systems for retrofitting, meets the customization needs of hundreds of specialized vehicles. In addition to hardware and supply chain improvements, we combine the onboard terminal with the cloud platform in the vehicle internet monitoring platform to obtain real-time vehicle operation data. Smart sanitation refers to the use of various technical means such as the Internet of Vehicles to achieve visual supervision of operations, intelligent decision-making, and refined management. The home screen page mainly monitors overview indicators such as equipment, operations, personnel, and energy consumption, as well as risk management and control. The vehicle screen page monitors the vehicle operation status and the control of wearing parts. The energy consumption screen page mainly monitors fuel consumption, electricity consumption, and charging status. The advantages of big data analysis in EV field are highly evident. By collecting and analyzing real-time data from vehicle sensors, calculating and analyzing abundant driving and battery data to help engineers evaluate the vehicle's range and diagnose faults accurately, optimize battery usage strategies, and improve energy utilization efficiency. High-quality products and services have earned widespread trust from customers. In China, more than 100 specialized vehicle companies have established business partnerships with Yiwei. Globally, Yiwei's products are sold in 15 countries. Green technology, making tomorrow better.